Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you 3 websites that can help you earn a lot of money this 2024. Now before I start, I should tell you that this website will not make you a millionaire or a billionaire in any time. Rather, it will help you solve some miscellaneous finances like recharging your decoder or buying airtime or any other thing you can use little amount of money to do. That's what this is going to help you. And also, it takes up a lot of time to cash out in this website because most of them, the least amount of money you have to cash out is actually $100 or $80. But before this video ends, I'm going to show you the third website where you can cash out at least $5. So if you want to know this, just follow up and watch up this video. Now, the first website I'm going to show you is only about watching videos. Now, you can only watch at least 5 videos per day. And the average amount of money they give per video is actually $0.46 or so. Now, you can also refer in this website. I think each refer is $1 per refer. So if you refer 100 people, you get $100. Now, you can actually cash out from $80 in this website to $100. And you can use Payoneer, PayPal, and Amazon to cash out. As a Nigerian, I think PayPal or Payoneer is the best you can use for this website. The name of this website is WinTube, and I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video or also in the comment section in case you want to go there. The sign up process for this website is actually simple and straightforward. Just add your Gmail, add your password, and boom, you have been signed up. And also verify your Gmail, and I think you are done. Then you start watching videos. Now the videos here are 30 seconds long, or should I say you can only watch for 30 seconds and you can now complete it. You don't need to watch the video to the full. So some of them might actually be longer than 30, but once it's 30 seconds, you can stop watching the video. The second website for you here is Timebox. Now, Timebox is very common because not only do you watch videos in it, you also take surveys and also take up offers like playing games or any other thing, maybe commenting on a Facebook post or a YouTube post. Now, Timebox is used all over the whole world, and if you enter Timebox, you see a lot of people from different countries earning. Now, to earn is actually very simple, like I listed before, and also to sign up is actually also very simple. Like I said in WinTube, just add in your Gmail, add in your password, go up and verify your Gmail, and you have started. And also to cash out is from $80 to $100 to $200, $300, just from $80 upwards. Now, like I said in the beginning, the last website here you can cash out from $5, but it still takes time. Unlike the other ones, per video here is actually very, very low, and also you can also refer. But one thing good about this is as you refer, whenever the person you refer also watches a video, you get a commission from it. That's one good thing about this website here. And also this website also have an app. Now when I started with this website, the surveys here actually failed me a lot of times, but I had to sign in again with a different Gmail account to start over afresh. So you have to be careful with your surveys. I'm not telling you to lie in your surveys or anything, but the surveys here are actually really tricky and sometimes they will not accept your answers. The name of this website is wisense.com. I'm going to leave the link in my description or in the comment section. I'm going to leave the link of the 3 websites I mentioned there in the comment section. Now, this website, like I said, you can cash out from $5 upwards, which is also very great. But the thing is, it only takes surveys. There is nothing like watching videos or taking up offers. The only thing it has is surveys, and it has a little bit of cash per survey. So what do you think about this video? I hope you love these videos, and you have to start earning by 2024. And if you want more ways to earn, this is the channel for you. I'm going to tell you a lot of ways and a lot of websites to use so that you can earn big this 2024. Follow me for more. This is Should Be Tech. See you later.